Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable iTunes and App Store to use with Face ID on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Now we're going to put in the screen passcode. Then go down and tap on iTunes and App Store. So tap on the switch to turn it off. Tap on the switch to turn it on. And once it is on, you need to put in the password. Okay, so that's it. Just put in your Apple ID password and you should be able to turn this on. And when you need to make a purchase, you can use Face ID to verify yourself. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.